Hey loves, welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? What's good? Welcome to the channel. So today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for you guys from shopmiscellaneous.com, my favorite online shop, and it's been so long since I've ordered from them, and every time I get a package I always forget to do an unboxing, but I'm doing it for you guys this time. So if you are here and interested in what I received from Shop Miss A, then please keep on watching. It's been long overdue. Shop Miss A is pretty much a shop that sells makeup, any type of cosmetics that you can think of, from brow products, mascara, they have falsies, all that good stuff. And the best thing about it, everything is only $1. Everything is only $1. That is great. And what I love about this company is everything is cruelty free. They do not test on animals whatsoever, which is what I love, because we got to protect our animals. You feel me? So I bought a couple of things from Shop Miss A, including the brand new A+ Satin Foundation. So I haven't opened this yet, so we are opening it together. So let's get into this. I'm so excited. You guys, I have been having shipping issues. It's supposed to came yesterday, I think. But every time I would check the shipping, it was always a delay. Like every time it would come into my city, for some reason it got shipped off. So good thing it showed up today, because I don't play about my packages. So first thing that we have the invoice about everything that I ordered, which that's not really important, but let's see. And they have it in the bubble wrap, which I love, because none of these products will be like completely destroyed or anything. And the best thing about it is the bubble wrap. With me having like anxiety, that calms me. So it has the company's name on it and the tissue paper that it came in. Like, you guys, they make sure that your packages come where it's just not destroyed at all. Wow, all this sweet goodness. That's what I like about this company too. They make sure that your products come and nothing is destroyed or messed up. This is what I love. I'm still trying to open it. Oh my god, look what we have here. So of course the foundations are here, and I bought two. because I want to be able to find my shade. And it's the AOA Studios A Plus Buildable Satin Foundation. And this one is in the shade 309, which is Honey Beige. And this one is in the shade 310, which is Amber. It's so pretty. It says on the bottle, as are on the side, to shake well before you open it or use it. And what I really like about this product is it has the little dropper on the top, which makes putting on foundation a lot easier, in my opinion, because the foundation that I already use is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and it doesn't have like a dropper or anything. You just have to pour it out, and that can be time consuming within itself. And so I love this product, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to try something different, and I've never tried a satin foundation, so this is something new. But I will have a video coming out pretty soon on my review and thoughts on this foundation, so you guys stay tuned for that. I do have two other things that I purchased. You guys know I am big on skincare products or anything of self-care. So I bought the Global Beauty Care Gold Gel Mask, and it has a mask applicator, and this is what it looks like. And it says it helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and it's a 15-minute facial therapy mask. And I'm really intrigued about it. They do also have the charcoal gel mask as well as the cucumber gel mask, and I decided to try out this gold because I was like, this is just really beautiful. It seems to say that it has actual gold powder in here, like real gold, and we'll see how this works. I'll do a not tutorial, but a review on this as well, so stay tuned for that. And I also got a everyday veggie slice mask in pumpkin. You guys, I love this mask so much, and the best thing about the whole thing, I love anything pumpkin. So this is not my first time buying this. I bought this twice before. It's an everyday veggie slice mask. It nourishes and exfoliates. It smooths skin, moisturizes. It has all natural ingredients. The sheet mask is 100% cotton, which is what I love. And the best thing about it, it is free of sulfates, silicone, mineral oil, and artificial color. I really like this. And one thing I can tell you about this product, it really cleanses your face after you go through cleaning your face with a cleanser. And I put this on after I cleanse my face and I tone my face, and you just put this on for 15 to 20 minutes, let it do its magic. It does smell like pumpkin. The feeling, it tingles. You do get a very nice tingling sensation when you have this on. And when you have this on, you want to relax, like completely relax. Don't do anything. Just sit down on the couch, watch Netflix or whatever you want to watch for 15-20 minutes, and then take it off. This does wonders for my skin. And this is why every time I do shop from Shop Miss A, I make sure to get at least 2 or 3 of these. But I needed only one for right now. But I'm gonna shop again next month, so it's not a problem. So that is all I got in my package from Shop Miss A. I thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, I see who's all subscribed to my channel, and I know who's watching and who's not watching. Make sure that you subscribe, because YouTube's algorithm is just really like not up to par. So I know when people aren't really subscribed to my channel, but I know when people are watching too. So please subscribe to my channel. Please, it helps my channel out so much. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers. So please make sure that you also share this video and with other people. Just help your girl out. So I thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I see you guys next time.